Hello again, this is Mr. Abdulaziz and this is Badr Tigers Private Schools. Today, inshallah, we will work again with Primary 6, Unit 1, Places We Go, Lesson 5, Reading Time. Primary 6, Unit 1, Places We Go, Lesson 5, Reading Time. Okay, let's start. Okay, who will read for me? Who can read? Yes, ice cream in America. Come on, try to read with me. Okay, who invented ice cream? We don't know. Who invented ice cream? We don't know. We don't know. But ice cream has a long history in the United States. In 1843, and you have to notice, how did I read the date? Yes, excellent. I split it into two groups. And I read every group alone. Yes, 18 and 43. So in 1843, Nancy Johnson invented the first ice cream churn. Nancy Johnson invented the first ice cream churn. The first ice cream factory opened in Baltimore in 1851. Again, 1851. Two groups and each group alone. Yes. A man in St. Louis made the first ice cream cone in 1896. Again, 1896. Ice cream is now one of America's favorite desserts. Yes, ice cream is now one of America's favorite desserts. The first ice cream shop opened in New York in 1876. Now there is an ice cream shop in every town, and you can buy ice cream at every grocery store. You can find a lot of flavors, from tomato to pickle. America's favorite flavors are vanilla and chocolate. What's your favorite? Okay, again I read it again with you, and you have to try to read with me. I will read in a slower way. Yes. Who invented ice cream? We don't know. But ice cream has a long history in the United States. In 1843, Nancy Johnson invented the first ice cream churn. The first ice cream factory opened in Baltimore in 1851. A man in St. Louis made the first ice cream cone in 1896. Ice cream is now one of America's favorite flavor. One of America's favorite desserts. The first ice cream shop opened in New York in 1876. Now there is an ice cream shop in every town, and you can buy ice cream at every grocery store. You can find a lot of flavors, from tomato to pickle. America's favorite flavors are vanilla and chocolate. What's your favorite? Yes, and now we have to notice the new words. New words like invent. Guys, I have the words and I have its definition, so you have to guess what the word equals in your mother tongue, what the word equals in Arabic. So, invent. Invent is to design or to create something that has never been made before. To design or to create something that has never been made before. Invent. Invent. Excellent. The second one is first. First person or first thing. Coming before all others in order. Coming before all others in order. Yes, first. Factory. 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 A building. Factory is a building. Yeah, factory is a building where large amounts of goods are made using machines. Factory. Factory. Yes, every. Every is used when referring to all the members of a group of three or more. Every Every is used to refer to all the members of a group of three or more. And you have to notice a group of three or more. Yes. The next one, flavor, 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 flavor. How food or drink tastes, or a particular taste itself. Yes, if I say this juice tastes like orange, so its flavor is orange. Yes, excellent. Flavor. History. History is the study of the past events, especially events of a particular period, events of a particular country, events of a particular subject. History. Churn. Churn. Churn is a large container. You know, container contain things. Yeah, a large container for transporting milk or for making milk into butter or into ice cream. Transporting milk or for making milk into butter or into ice cream. Churn. Cone. Cone is a shape with flat round base and a top, a shape with a top that becomes narrower until it forms a point. Until it forms a point. Cone. A lot of, a large amount, or a large number of people or things. A large amount, or a large number of people or things. A lot of. Vanilla. Vanilla, substance. Or vanilla, I can say vanilla. You know vanilla? Vanilla. Yeah, it doesn't need definition. Vanilla, ice cream, vanilla. Ice cream, chocolate. Ice cream, vanilla. Yes, used to give flavor to sweet food. Excellent. Vanilla. The next one is long. Long. Long, having greater length than usual. Having greater length than usual. Long. Pickle. Pickle. Pickle, guys, a cucumber. Pickle, a cucumber that has been so preserved. A cucumber that has been so preserved. So preserved. Pickle. Pickle. Yes. Town. Town is a compactly settled area. Compactly settled area that usually larger than a village but smaller than a city. Town. Town. And I have Baltimore, New York, St. Louis. They are all cities in America. They are all cities in America. Yes, favorite. One that is treated or regarded with special liking. Favorite. Dessert. A usually sweet course or a sweet dish served at the end of a meal. Dessert. Yeah, I ate chocolate as a dessert for lunch today. Dessert. Excellent. So, the preposition N. How can we use the preposition N? Okay, try to remember the previous passage. How did we use the preposition N? Yes, I use it to indicate a location or place. She looked me directly in the eyes. Yes, it's a location. Next example is ice cream has long history in the United States. Ice cream has the long history in the United States. Before cities. Okay, cities, guys. A location, a place, a city, the United States. Next example is a man in St. Louis. Yes, a man in St. Louis. Again, St. Louis, a city. A man in St. Louis. Yes, and then used for specific times, month, season, or a year. The example says, the first ice cream shop opened in New York in 1876. Not just that, in New York. You see, in New York and in 1876. So before cities and before. Excellent. 8. Specific year. Specific year. Excellent. Excellent. The next one. In the summer. 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 You know summer. Summer is the season. Yes, in the summer we go to the beach. We go to the beach. Excellent. A man in St. Louis again. A man in St. Louis again. Made the first ice cream cone in, again, 1896. Yes. In April, guys. April is a month. Yeah. So I can use N before months. Excellent. In April, we go to Alex. We go to Alexandria. Excellent. 1 star for you. The next one. She always reads newspapers in the morning. You know, yes, in April we go to Alexandria. The last one is she always reads newspapers in the morning. In the morning, yes, a specific time in the day. In the morning. So, in before dates, before locations, before place, specific time, specific month, specific season, and specific year. Excellent. Now, shall we take some exercises? Yes, ice cream, the first one. Ice cream has a long space in the United States. Along what? Along math? No, doesn't work for me. Along science in the United States? No, doesn't work for me. Along history? Along history, it's familiar. Familiar. Yes, it's familiar. So, along history in the United States. The next one. Yes, excellent. Excellent, guys. So, in the next one, my best space is vanilla. The rest of the questions are homework and we will discuss them in the class, inshallah.